Let me do some elementary functions. Elementary functions. Elementary function number 1. If the function f of x equals to x to the n, if I have the function in this form, if I take its Laplace, Laplace of x to the n, equals to n factorial or s to the n plus 1. N is any integer, whatever value you have for the n, you have to put it here. But n should be greater than minus 1. This is very important. N shouldn't be less than minus 1 or equals to minus 1. It must be greater than minus 1. This green symbol is the factorial. Let me put n factorial equals to 4 factorial. I just put the value of n equals to 4. It equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which equals to 24. This is very basic and you must know about it. What is factorial? Elementary function number 2. If the function f of x equals to e to the ax, if I have an exponential function in the form of e to the ax, and when I take its Laplace, Laplace of e to the ax, it equals to 1 over s minus a. A is any constant value, so whatever value you have for the a, just put it for the right side as well. Elementary function number 3. If the function f of x equals to sine ax, if I have a trigonometric function sine ax, but when I take its Laplace, Laplace of sine ax, it equals to a or a square plus a square. A is any constant number, so whatever value you have for the a, you put it here. Elementary function number 4. If the function f of x equals to cos ax, if I have another trigonometric function which is cos ax, after taking its Laplace, it equals to s or a square plus a square, where a is an integer. Elementary function number 5. If the function f of x equals to sine h of ax, and when I take its Laplace, it equals to a or a square minus a square. This is another trigonometric function. A is any constant number here, where s must be greater than a modulus. It means that s must be greater than the magnitude of a. So whatever value you have for the a, if you take its magnitude, it must be less than s. Just keep in mind, where a is any constant value. Elementary function number 6. If the function f of x equals to cos h of ax, it's another trigonometric function. After taking its Laplace, it equals to s or a square minus a square, where a is any constant number. Remember, whatever value you have for the a in the left side, you simply put the same value for a at the right side.